Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the Magpie ability in Grow Garden game of Roblox new trader event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Finally, I could get this Magpie pet from the gem chest. If you want to get this pet, you need to earn the gem chest first from this trader event. And wait, let me show you the trading rewards. Okay. I'm going to select the gem chest. Okay, and you will have 14.5% possibility or chance to get this magpie. And I'm going to show you this pet ability. I'm going to place it in my garden. And let's view the ability, guys. Okay, basically it can give you a random reward when you sell silver fruit. And the reward can be common egg, rare egg, harvest tool, grandmaster sprinkler, level up lollipop, and something from the gear shop and also the egg shop. And yeah, I think it's worth to keep in your garden, but you need to sell the silver fruit. And to get the silver fruit, you can apply the silver fertilizer to your plant. So it can give you more chance to get the silver fruit. Yeah, you can apply the silver fertilizer. Okay guys, and that's all about the magpie ability in Grow a Garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!